Hi, this is Mrs. Wagner, and we are live in Mr. Holmstrom's room, and we are going to learn about, oh gosh, I'm not very good with this camera, sorry. We're going to learn about what the tech class is doing. Math tech?
Math tech.
Math tech grade
8.
Here, just a minute, Mr. Holmstrom. Here's one of the instructors.
This is Math Tech 8, and the kids are working on Lego robots right now, and they're going to explain what they're doing.
All right, here we go. Come over here. Where'd the robot go? Oh, gosh, I'm not a very good. That's why I'm a principal. I didn't ever take one of these classes. Okay, so here's the little robot. And this robot is looking for a black line, and it's doing a very nice job of finding the black line, as you can see. Boys, do you want to tell me, you are the creators of this little robot here?
Yeah.
Why don't you state your names?
I'm Noah, Joe.
Noah and Joe. And what did you have to do in order to program this robot? Because you programmed it. You couldn't just take it out of a Lego box and it just did its job, correct? Okay, so tell us about it.
First we had to build it out of a box that the kid came out of. And then to program it, we had to get a program on the computer. And then you add different commands to it, and then you got to command it so that when it hits the right side of the black line, the left motor will turn on.
Oh, show what happens when it doesn't find the black line. Let it still come. Because the end of the black line will be here, and all of a sudden it won't know what to do. Kind of like Mrs. Wagner looks every day when she's walking around the building. Alright. It's going to run on a black line. Uh-oh, it's gone. Now what? Where do I go? So it's programmed to just kind of go in a circle till it finds it again, or?
When it's on the white, it programs the left motor to run. But when it finds the black, it programs the right motor to run.
It's very confused right now.
Wobbles forward.
You want to state your name?
Hale.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay?
so like pretty much like for that right now when it's like going in a circle, it like controls like for the one on the right, like for the one that hits the light, for the dark light it goes right, and for the white one it goes light left, so it goes back and forth, like left and right, like that right now.
Okay. So it's going left and right now. Very nice. And then you have to use these computers up here
Yep.
to do the programming.
Uh-huh. And this is the line program for this
Okay.
particular robot.
That's what they use. Robot educator. I don't know about you watching, but Mrs. Wagner's very impressed right now. Alright, and that's a close-up look of it. Alright, here's another one. Another robot here.
This one you can clap it on and off.
Oh, like the little clapper that used to be on Christmas commercials. Clap on, clap off. They'd put it on lamps, but you put it on a robot. Okay, so do you want to show us something with it? Maybe put it down here because, yeah, I don't want it to fall and break. Get that orange cord. I'm going to fall and hurt myself here. Somebody clap. Oh, it heard me. Does it pick up my name?
Yeah,
Oh, it's just...
it'll pick up your voice or any noise.
I wish I could do that to kids. Wouldn't that be awesome in the halls? You clap and everyone stop.
So you can go in front of it right now.
Very, very neat. And that's just a computer program too?
Yep.
And so you had to input what? I mean, on the program, is it a formula? Or you just say clap?
I don't like
This
it's like
is
really complicated.
sensor.
It's really complicated, more than Mrs. Wagner would understand. Is that what you're saying?
More than I understand.
Do you want to state your name so you're on the camera?
I'm dumb.
And he's going to the spelling bee. Okay, our county one. We're very proud. Do you want to tell us something about your robot?
Sure, it's
State your names.
Aaron.
Well, it's Kenny. That's what there's Kenny.
Aaron, Kenny, Dominic, and then Isaiah, but Isaiah's not here today.
Okay, and here's your robot.
Yeah, it's a touch. So it runs into something,
It stops.
presses this button, and it stops.
Oh,
And you have
like
to,
an automatic,
And then there's a
impact. Okay,
detect.
okay,
Okay.
All
okay.
these different sensors.
I'm not very good at videoing. Please forgive me if you're watching this. Okay. So it's going to run into that.
It stops. And there's a sonar one that stops before it touches it. This one.
It's like one like you can like measure how far the distance is and like it hits like doesn't hit the wall at all. Like doesn't collapse.
I've got them. I gotcha. Okay, do you want to show us again, just one more time, a little demo on that? Because I'm not very good at videoing. Oh, that is cool. Did it take you more than one try to get this accomplished?
Oh yeah, we couldn't build this right. It
Okay.
wasn't hitting it.
Okay. And so does everyone, it looks like, has kind of the same basic model for their robot and then you program different things into it? Is that what they do? Okay. Somebody else want to show me their robot?
They got the supersonic sensor
The
too.
supersonic sensor. Boys, tell me about the super... Oh, is this the supersonic sensor?
Ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic sensor. And what does the ultrasonic sensor do? Don't point it at me.
It tells how far away things are, and then it will stop before it hits them.
So you programmed it, sorry, to get how close before it stops?
I think it's about 10 centimeters.
10 centimeters. Do you want to show me how far 10 centimeters would be with your hands?
About maybe that.
Okay, so it gets about that close and it will stop. Now, just right within that area, this little sensor area, or quite a ways,
Right from here to here.
and it can only read like right within here, right? I mean, that little space there, right?
Yep.
Okay, so do you want to show a demo here?
Sure.
Okay.
Go against the door.
Okay, we'll go against the door.
Hit it.
Okay.
Normally it works, but
Normally it works, but that's how you have to go, and you have to keep testing and try. It's the metal,
Metal, I think. Try it against the wood over here.
or here on the plastic maybe, or the wood. Okay. Well, it stopped right before it. Very good. And so trial and error, and once again, that's all programmed on the computer. And then you have to hook, I'm going to show the people watching this video here, we have to hook, it's those little cords up or something to the computer. Do you want to show how you hook it up to the computer or something? Oh, I'm not videoing very well. Tim's going to have a hard time editing this. Do you want to grab it and show us how you hook it up to the computer? I'd climb underneath, but I might get stuck. Okay. I don't know. I probably wouldn't get stuck, but it'd be embarrassing if I did.
so
Okay.
there's for all the programming, it's all memorized on here, so it all just plugs in to the computer and onto the robot.
And then you hook that up.
And you do the programming from this page.
Okay.
And there's different, each block does something different. So these first two are for the motors, and this one is telling it to, whenever this sees something, it's telling it to go to this part of the program, which tells it to stop.
Oh.
So and then you can set the different distances and stuff.
Sure. Isn't that interesting? I'm impressed. Thank you, boys. Did you say your name's on here?
I don't think so.
You better say it.
I'm Ben.
It probably doesn't read that.
Nice job, Ben. Alan.